Welcome to the usage tutorial for the Marklife X8 printer. First, power on the device by pressing and holding the top switch button located on the printer cover. The supplied printing paper is stored in the side compartment, which can be accessed by pulling it out. This design helps keep your workspace organized. Next, we will walk you through a brief demonstration. Press the opening button on the side to open the top cover. Note that the opening angle of the top cover is relatively small, so please do not forcefully pull or twist it. Before putting the printing paper into the printer, be sure to check the position of the printer's limit switch. To use this app, you need to search for Marklife in the Apple Store or Google Play Store and download it. After installation, remember to turn on the Bluetooth switch on your phone. Then, click on the icon at the top left corner, and in the list of nearby printers that pops up, find our X8 printer and click on Connect. Here, I will demonstrate the common way of printing PDF files. Locate the PDF printing option below, import the PDF file you wish to print, then adjust the position and size, as well as other parameters. Please choose the options according to your specific situation, and then select Print. Recently, we have added the tattoo paper printing function for the X8 printer. The tattoo paper here needs to be purchased separately. Before printing, tear off the first and third sheets of the tattoo paper and insert them into our printer. In the app, select the pattern you want to print, adjust the size, and choose to print. After the printing is completed, tear off the ink paper on the top layer, and then place the pattern paper on the bottom side face down on your skin. Before applying, make sure to evenly apply the tattoo transfer paste, then press it evenly and remove the pattern paper. This is the website of our Marklife. You need to download the X8 printer driver from our Marklife official website. First, find the download option on the home page of the Marklife website, click on it, then find the X8 printer driver, and download the corresponding driver software for your computer system. Here is a demonstration for the Win 11 version. After downloading, extract the file and install it directly. The Bluetooth connection is not stable. Here, choose USB connection, and then keep selecting OK until the process is completed. After installation, connect the printer to the computer using a data cable. Make sure the printer is turned on. In the system settings, find the option to add Bluetooth and printer devices, and add our X8 printer. Open the file you want to print, select our X8 printer in the print options, and set other parameters according to the actual situation. Click Print. This is the complete user guide for the Marklife X8 smart printer. We welcome you to explore various new ways to use it.